Hi, I'm Chef Ananya Banerjee and दुनिया घूमने का शौक किसको नहीं है? मुझे तो बहुत है। तो आज चलो चलते हैं कोरिया, South Korea. You must be knowing that Korean dramas and Korean programs are trending. So is the food. So let's get started. Today we are making Bibimbap, which is a Korean delicacy. Bibimbap के लिए I need a lot of vegetables. I am doing a vegetarian version too. So I've taken shiitake mushrooms and soaked it in hot water. And the mushrooms, the dry mushrooms are looking like this. Squeeze out the water and chop them out. Extremely meaty and beautiful flavor. So these mushrooms will go. Just a little tip. Never throw this water. This is liquid gold. If you're making mushroom soup, just pour this as a stock. That gives out that umami flavor. So mushrooms are ready. Similarly, I have kept some julienned carrots and some cucumber. Let me take some pak choi. So pak choi को ऐसे rough chop कर लेना है. And my major ingredients for bibimbap is cut and ready. Now I'll make the sauce. For the sauce, I need to make a paste. The major ingredient for a lot of Korean food is gochujang. Gochujang is nothing but a chili paste, which is fermented chili paste. So some good amount of gochujang paste. इसके साथ I'm going to add some chopped garlic, powdered sugar, some soy sauce. You can use the Korean soy sauce also, but I'm using the regular one, and some vinegar. Give this a good mix. So this sauce is also ready. The vegetables are also ready. Now plating. So the vegetables which I already cut using a little bit of sesame oil. By the way, if you want to buy this cute pan and this cute gas stove, you can click in the description below. It's all from Amazon. Okay, the oil is nice and hot. A little bit of garlic, sugar. I'll just saute the pak choi in that. You really don't have to cook this. It's just sauteing it. There's a glaze on the leaves. And that's about it. Now take it out from the pan. The second thing goes in, little more sesame oil, a little bit of garlic, and the carrots. And it's time to take it out. Don't overcook anything. Pan back in the gas, little more oil. Let's saute the mushrooms. A little bit of soy sauce, a little bit of garlic also will go here. So I'm done with the vegetable prep. Now it's time to plate. So the main part of bibimbap is the plating, how I plate it up, and it looks very aesthetically beautiful. Now, do you know what bibimbap means? Bibim means all mixed together and bap means rice. I am doing an vegetarian version instead of the meat version. You can play around. Actually, in rural Korea, it used to be made with leftover vegetables. Whatever was left over, they used to mix it with rice and serve. So, अपने पसंद का कुछ भी डालो चलेगा. First thing first, the rice. So you can use a sticky rice for this. I did not have it at home. Okay. I'm using a short grain rice. So make a bed of rice first. Abhi you can add some cucumber, then the carrots, then the pak choi. Then comes the mushroom. Now drizzle the prepared gochujang chili sauce on top of it liberally. In fact, gochujang also has fish sauce, which I omitted today. If you want, you can also add a little bit of fish sauce for that authentic taste. And the crowning glory of this will be fried egg. Now, frying this egg. A little bit of salt and it's done. A sprinkle of some white sesame, a sprinkle of some black sesame. तो देखा आपने, कुकिंग करने के लिए कोई भी जगह सही है, सिर्फ कुकिंग का मूड होना चाहिए. So bibimbap is ready for you. Do try this recipe at home. रेसिपी अगर अच्छी लगे तो सब्सक्राइब, शेयर एंड लाइक.